Welcome back, folks. I am actually looking at this Dana 44 and where my pinion race belongs right here where I'm pulling it out. It's not supposed to be that easy. So when I disassembled this whole axle, these things actually fell out. So right here, I'm going to take a small punch, like a center punch, and then peen away at the inside of where that race would actually seat. It's actually really hard to get in here. I tried a spring loaded center punch and it just didn't do it through that housing. So here I'm just kind of struggling around trying to get a little bit of meat with that pick, and kept knocking the camera over, whatever. Garage is kind of a mess. It's dark outside, it's cold, and I'm working on this when I can. But you know, I got a couple little dimples popped in there, and I'm going to put some Loctite on here in a second. Alright, here I've got Loctite green around that bearing race, and I'm going to tap that bearing, and just a few dimples from that center punch actually made a huge difference. And now that Loctite green is actually going to make up the difference of distance between the bearing race and the housing. That's what it's meant for. I'm not going to be doing a whole lot of heavy driving on this axle, but this should work. You're supposed to use heat to get it out. In this view here, it's actually kind of hard to see, but right around the edge of the race, you can actually see the green kind of coming out, and I'm going to leave it that way. Loctite 620.